Hey guys, so I have been having a lot of requests to do an eyeshadow tutorial. There are so many different ways of applying eyeshadows, and this also depends on the kind of look you're going for. There are so many different kind of eyeshadow applications out there. Okay, there are natural looks, there are cut creases, there are I cannot even name all of them right now, but let me just do, for today I'm going to do a basic eyeshadow application method that I know of, where like you can build up from there depending on how much you want to go. The palette that I'm going to use for this look is the NYX Lingerie. You guys already know this. I'm going to use it because it's simpler for me to explain using this one. This one right here is the color that I mostly blend. Okay, this is mostly my transition color. This is the contour color for me, and then depending on maybe my outfit or whatever, I use either of these colors for my eyelid, right at this point, this place here, and this one as a highlighter. So we're just going to do it so you can see what I mean. So what you want to do to begin with, you need, okay, obviously you need an eyeshadow palette, you need an eyeshadow base. You can either get the eyeshadow base itself, or, as many people would prefer, use a concealer that does the same job, and a setting powder and brushes, eye brushes. All right, so let's get at it. For the purpose of this video, I will use an eyeshadow base itself. This is from the NYX, NYX eyeshadow base. Okay, apply a small amount. Okay, blend it all over the lid. This one is going to make your colors stay on for longer, and as well as reveal the true color of the shade that you used, because sometimes we have darker eyelids or whatever. So what I'm going to do next is set the base, because it's kind of wet, and if you apply your eyeshadow on top of it, it's going to crease much faster. So when you set it with the powder, it's going to keep the oils in check even better. Oh my god, I overdid that. Okay, and you're not going to crease. Or have your eyeshadows moving all over the place. All right, good. I think we're ready to start. So I personally begin, like I said before, with a transition color, and for me it is this one right here. That's the color I usually take most. It's a color that, let me see, because that is easiest to your own. So this is how I apply it, right here under the brow, not too close to the eyebrow, because you need like that little space up here. That's where you're going to place your highlighter, you know. So when that is blended, I then take another brush. I think this is the stiff flat brush. I don't know what they call all that yet. Then I take this and put it in the crease right there. I form a V. This is the V right there. Okay, blend that in there. I'm using the fast brush that we used before. Blend the two colors together at the edges to create a uniform color, like to avoid any harsh lines. Then after that, I'll pick another flat brush. Then I'm going to use this color right here. This one is what I'm going for today, and that is what I will place on my eyelid. I'm definitely going to do another video of or more videos that entail, or you know, eyeshadows. This is just the basic one. Let me say that I'm definitely going to try and do a cut crease or something like that. So if you guys are interested, definitely let me know and give this video a thumbs up already, okay? So now that I have my lid color, I'll go back with the brush that I used for the V, right, for the crease, and kind of blend a little bit more color here at the end, right here, with the V shape once more. Using the fast brush, you can even take a little bit more color if you feel like you've lost it along the way, and blend that right there. So what I'm going to do now is take another brush, and take this highlighter color. Oh my gosh, how do these YouTubers do these things? Okay, take a small amount, take it to the inner corner of the eye to highlight that place. Normally I would do this with the highlighter as well, but I think we can start off with this one, and this place right here to highlight the brow bone. Yeah, it's popping, but I can see already a harsh line, which I'm going to blend out right now. Yeah, much better. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did with this eye to the other one, and then I will be right back. So once you're done, and check your work, see if you have any you know, any harsh lines. Then I use a clean blending brush, like a clean eye blending brush, And this one here is from BH Cosmetics, the number 101. I love this 101. I love this brush a lot. Like, I really enjoy using this brush. And you know what, guys, they are actually going to bring or they have already, in some DMs they already have cosmetics from BH right now. The brushes that there's going to be eyeshadow palettes. I can't wait. We don't have it yet in our DM. That's for those people who don't understand. That's DM is our local cosmetic shop. Okay, so yeah, they're going to have them over there. Okay, so once you're done, I'm going to complete my my face. Right now I already have foundation on, so I'm going to conceal and finish up the rest of my makeup because I am actually getting late. So, and this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you have any questions, write them down below. I will jot down everything that I used in this video in my description box, so make sure to check that out. And meanwhile, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.